What's up guys, this is Will with Eurofed. Currently we are driving one of our favorite cars we get to work on, the MK7 GTI. Huge power gains from just the APR Stage 2 tune and downpipe. And then also it's coupled with a DSG tune that fully optimizes the dual clutches performance and capabilities. Motorsport intake, diverter valve spacer. We have H&R lowering springs, VMR wheels, a resonator delete from ECS, maxed in performance appearance additions to make it look more aggressive. From your base 1.8T Golf to your GTI to your Golf R, we know how to make these things fast. If you love your GTI as much as we love working on them, we'll gladly help you make it into a complete monster.